My name is Scott Coolahan. I'm Director of Business Operations and Business Development for Multicorp Cleaning. We are a commercial services janitorial contractor servicing the Baltimore, D.C. metro area. So AltaVista has been our partner for 8 years now, and they do email marketing campaigns. So they maintain a database of facility managers and property managers, and we work with our account rep at AltaVista to tailor a message and use that to drum up business and opportunity pipeline. Our account rep, Bridget, sends us a monthly summary of all the opportunity. I actually reviewed it last week. We did an annual end of the year review call. They were able to create 80 bid opportunities through their lead generation, and in terms of impact on our recurring billing, it equaled about $450,000 in recurring annual billing. They're extremely responsive, customer service oriented. It does feel like a partnership. They're a resource that allows us to supplement our pipeline when there's a million other things going on. You know, it's hard to say where we would be able to kind of replicate what AltaVista does for us. Their goal is to, the same as ours, which is to grow our business. Value's tremendous. I mean, it's paid for itself many times over.